What's going on, everybody? Chris from Out West with Chris out on the California Delta. Gonna try to catch fish this afternoon. Got off work. It's a little bit after 5. I've got about 3 hours to fish. It's a low tide. It's incoming though, so that'll improve with a little bit of time. So hopefully the wind dies down a little bit and we can find some fish. So far I've got a couple little tiny ones, just a couple dinks. So I guess I'm not skunked technically, but would really rather catch some bigger fish. So let's see if we can do that. Okay. Whew. Man, he choked it. This is not a bad fish. Not bad, not great, not bad, but man, choked it all the way down in there. Man, hammered it. Get the pliers out because it is down there. Jeez. Whew. Okay. Good little clean unhooking job. Decent fish, probably 2.5 pounder. I'll take it. On the chatterbait. Chatterbait's been money for me actually lately, so I'm not shocked. And man, he just slammed that thing. I wasn't recording for this little guy, but really shallow in most areas and then pockets. So I'm trying to work these pockets as the wind blows me, oh, excuse me, the wind blows me all over the damn place. And toss that, and he hit it right when it hit the water. So getting across this thing is a pain. Oh man, this is disgusting. Oh man, I feel like I'm gonna break my paddle. Okay, we're getting there. Some of it in my face. Because of the wind. Oh my gosh. It's like the swamp thing. Gosh dang it. And got another little dink on the senko. Whoop-de-woo. Yeah, just picked another small guy up on the chatterbait. And he didn't wreck my trailer, so that's good. Got a piece of wood gotta watch out for. There's like a decent fish. He's okay. Bigger than the last one. Yeah. Sweet. Woo. Nothing huge, but bigger than the last one. That's nice, getting into him a little bit. And he jacked up my trailer, dang it. Oh yeah. There we go. Whoa. Nice fish. Ooh, yeah. All right, so we got her on the scale. She's 4 pounds, 15 ounces about. Just a nice, beautiful fish. Okay. So basically a 5-pounder, 1 ounce shy of 5 pounds. So we'll just call her a 5-pounder, but just a nice, beautiful fish. Solid fish. Look at this girl. Dang. Look at you. Long. Not super fat, but long. Nice big mouth on you. That's a beautiful fish right here, guys. Okay, let's let her go. Let's get her out of here. Oh yeah, you mad, huh? You mad? Get out of there. There she goes. Man, that felt good. Caught that one on the spinner rod with the senko. Just flipped it up there, up tight into the Tules. I was thinking, you know, there's a good chance there's a fish up here. And sure enough, I saw my line move. It kind of nicked on the surface. So I knew I had a bite, went, set the hook, and at first I was thinking, oh, it's not too big, this is not too big, but then started running a little bit. I was kind of worried about her getting into that Thule. She got into it. I was kind of worried about her rubbing off in that Thule patch right there, but got her back out and ended up getting her into the net. Let's see if we can get on some more good fish. So that was pretty fun. I guess if I'm gonna try to get on a topwater popper bite, if I'm gonna try to force that tonight, this is probably my best stretch to do it because it's looking pretty calm right here. So let me go ahead and start that up. Oh, maybe not. He's not huge, but he's feisty. Jeez. That guy was feisty. Gosh dang it. Oh man. Hook went into the net. Oh man. decent little fish. Whew. All right. Let's let this guy go. Okay. Jeez. Maybe the popper isn't on the list for today. I don't know. Let me try it a little bit, and then if we don't get any love, we're gonna go back to the senko or the chatterbait. The two things that have been working today. I love fishing this popper. It's been so good to me during the summertime. Last couple years, so let's give it a shot. Let's have some fun. Let's see if we can get some blow-ups. Woohoo! There was a little splashy. Little splashy splash. Can we get him? What do you think? Can we get him? Okay, let's see. Here's a hot tip, guys. I don't know if you saw it in one of my recent videos, but you miss a blow up on the popper. Get ready with that senko. Do a little follow up with that senko. Just see what happens here. Let's see. You don't always get them on the follow up, but you do a lot. Look at this. I got him. Oh, he feels okay. He feels okay. He's head chicken. He's not bad. Yeah, sweet. Okay. Not bad. Wish the sun was down a little bit more. I could take another sunset pic, but I guess that's not happening. Anyways, nice little fish. Sweet. We'll put you away for a little bit. Whew. There we go. Sweet. Well, that's a nice ending to the day, huh? Sweet fish. Gosh dang. Nice solid fish. He's 3.5 easy. But all right, let's let him go. Gosh. This senko bite's been hot today. It's been the bite. Thought it was gonna be a chatterbait bite earlier, but been pretty much senko bite. Well guys, that's gonna do it. As you can see, it's pretty dark. I am pulling up on the ramp here, sugar bars, and we're gonna call it a day. Good little afternoon outing. Quite a few fish, some solid ones too. But all in all, just a real fun day out there. Like I really enjoy it when the afternoons can come together like that. Give me some action with the limited time that, you know, I've got to be out here. So I do appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, comments about anything you see in the video or just anything, whatever, I do my best to answer them most of the time. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it when you do. And thanks as always for getting out west with Chris.